For the second step of our cardboard mandala collagraphs, we are ready to begin printmaking. We are going to use our mandala, white paper, and crayons. Once your mandala is dried and sealed down nice and flat, you are ready to start making your collagraph prints. Thinner drawing paper or computer paper works best, so put your mandala flat down on your table and put your drawing paper on top. I am then going to pick any color crayon that I want. You can use one color or you may use multiple colors. And I am going to use one hand to hold down, and then I am going to simply color on top of my mandala. And the collagraph print is going to come through by picking up the different textures, shapes, and patterns of the color cardboard below. I like to use the side of my crayon so that I can put down quite a bit of color and not break the tip of my crayon off. And there we have our first collagraph print. You may make as many collagraph prints as you would like. Begin again by putting down a new fresh piece of paper and maybe try a variety of colors.